TextPlus sign up error. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. In today's video, I will show you how to fix TextPlus sign up error. So first, go to Play Store and then search for TextPlus. Then make sure you have the latest version of the application by checking if there is an update button instead of the open button. If there is an update button, simply tap on it and get the latest version. Next, go to Settings and then go to Apps. After that, find your TextPlus application. Tap on it, go to its storage section and tap on Clear Cache, and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.